See something funny? You want to see something? I was not expecting that response. I'm a little scared, a little tuck under the tail tuck or something up under his ass, but not no fucking what he did. Oh my God, that's right. But I got banned. I don't know why I got banned, but I got permanently banned, and I can't log into my account at all. Like when I search it, my account don't even exist. So I'm not sure what's going on. But I did make another account, just the brunette one, and then also I have just the foodie account. So I know this is Still's account, but